FluidScan is a handheld condition-based maintenance system that delivers fluid condition assessment based on the American Society for Testing and Materials and the Joint Oil Analysis Program standard practices. It protects machinery by determining when a lubricant needs to be changed due to excessive contamination or degradation. FluidScan does this at the point of use by measuring key oil condition parameters in both synthetic and petroleum-based lubricants and fluids. FluidScan is applicable to any mechanical system where unexpected downtime is unacceptable. It enables operators of power generation equipment, marine vessels, trucks, wind turbines, mining and heavy construction equipment, military vehicles and aircraft, or any large industrial system. To establish predictive maintenance programs based on oil condition, rather than an on-time or distance-based schedule. FluidScan can also be used for the quality control process of biodiesel fuels. FluidScan analyzes lubricants and fluids using infrared spectroscopy, a technique that has found wide acceptance as a primary test for contamination and degradation. Sample analysis is simple, and the entire process from loading an oil sample to obtaining analytical results takes less than 1 minute. A user follows these steps. First, enter information about the sample. Next, extract the sample cell and open it. Then place a drop or two of oil on the cell. Close the cell and reinsert it. And lastly, start the analysis. When the operator initiates the analysis, flashing infrared light beams are focused on the fluid. Light at some infrared frequencies will pass through the fluid, while at other frequencies, the light will be partially or totally absorbed. The light that passes through the sample goes to the spectrometer. In the spectrometer, the light enters a solid-state waveguide that channels it to a diffraction grating. The grating disperses the light much like entering and exiting a prism, and creates a spectrum similar to a rainbow. The dispersing light from the grating is then channeled via the waveguide to a detector array that records the intensity and frequency of the spectrum. Sample results are shown on an LCD display and are stored in memory for trending or downloading to a central database. The cell is then cleaned by simply wiping it with a non-abrasive cloth, and the FluidScan is ready for its next sample. Note that no hazardous cleaning solutions are required. The FluidScan provides immediate on-site analysis of lubricant properties and accurately warns the user when it's time to change the lubricant. It measures total acid number, total base number, oxidation, nitration, sulfation, incorrect lubricant, additive depletion, soot, glycol antifreeze, and water. FluidScan's primary benefits include extended oil change intervals, no delay in waiting for laboratory analysis, reduced operational and maintenance costs, reduction of unscheduled maintenance outages, and prevention of catastrophic failures. The FluidScan is the ideal on-site oil analysis tool for your condition monitoring needs.